Look at this 2019 Ford F-350 that was just traded here at Brighton Ford. Great built Ford tough look truck or rugged daily commuter. Well maintained and fully inspected by our factory trained technicians. FX4 Package, 5th wheel prep package, heated seats, and more. This truck will not last long. Call us at 1-800-NEW-FOR today and LT, br&gt and LT, br&gt, 4WD.and LT, br&gt, Blue Jeans Metallic 2019 Ford F-350SD XLT 4WD TorqShift 6-speed automatic 6.2 liters V8 EFI SOHC 16 volts Flex Fuel&lt, br&gt and LT, br&gt and LT, br&gt. Brighton Ford used cars are priced well below the market value. Have confidence in knowing you in number 39, read getting the best deal within 200 miles of our location. Our vehicles are competitively priced well below the market value to give you a no haggle buying experience. Although we do not certify our used cars, we do have the ability to do so. Brighton Ford is conveniently located off of Grand River Road in Brighton, Michigan. Brighton Ford is near the intersection of I-96 and US 23 in Brighton, Michigan. We have the largest selection of used trucks, used cars and used SUVs with over 200 pre-owned vehicles in stock. Brighton Ford serves all nearby cities including South Lyon, Howell, Fenton, New Hudson, Novi, Ann Arbor, Whitmore Lake, Lansing, Detroit, Toledo, and Flint.